Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Android satellite messaging feature. Android satellite feature allows you to contact emergency services and on some carriers send standard text messages when you are outside the range of cellular and Wi-Fi networks. Currently, these features are primarily available on Google Pixel 9 and 10 series devices and the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now, to use this satellite or SOS features, which is inbuilt in the phone, all you have to do is start by attempting to call the emergency services. If the call fails due to no signal, a satellite SOS icon will appear on your screen. Tap the satellite SOS button and select Start, and you will be prompted to answer a quick on-screen questionnaire to describe your emergency. Example, if you could be lost, injured, or in a vehicle accident. Then follow the on-screen prompts to point your phone toward a satellite. You must be outdoors with a clear view of sky. Obstacles like trees or buildings will block the signal. Once connected, your information and location will be sent, and emergency responders can reply to you via text. And that is how you can use this satellite feature. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.